Hello Fatality Workers, this is Black Flame from the Fatality Company and welcome back to Black Flame vs Reality. Now this one is a little different because as some of you may know if you've been on this channel, about a couple of months ago I moved house and we found something very interesting up in the loft when we was moving, and I now have finally got it out of storage and wanted to show you. We found this. Oh yeah, Commodore. Now my camera looks really blurry and I apologise for that. It's obviously not focusing very well at the minute, but isn't it beautiful? It's arrow keys and it's very, very mushy keyboard. It's the tape player thing with it, and of course a joystick, because joysticks are awesome. But of course, you need to be able to play games. So with it, I also found all of these. Yeah. Which is interesting. Quite a few games there. But I also found this box, and apparently costs £20.75. And some kind of numbers on it, I don't know exactly what that is, but it is full to the brim of old floppy disk games and programs. Find another one. There you go. You see, I don't know what half of these even do, but you know, it looks like a paint program of some kind. It's just program disk, program 1, program 2. Wait, what was that? Prince of Persia. There you go. Grand Prix. Grand Prix again. Grand Prix again. Grand Prix again. 3D Golf. I just thought that it would be something that you might be interested in. I found it quite interesting, personally. That's pretty much all. Thanks for you all for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye, guys.